Welcome back, everybody. We are back on Silverrun Forest. It is now October the 1st. Our soybeans are ready to harvest, as you can see. We have done some work on the cabin. Let me pop over there and give y'all an update on that. It is coming along quite nice. Got us a nice little green roof on it, some windows. So getting there close to it. Got to put the internal walls and furniture on it, and be the last step, and it'll be good to go. Get back over here, and we're gonna go ahead and jump in and get started on the soybeans.
All right, I'm taking the road tractor or 18-wheeler, whatever you want to call it, over here to the field.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get the combine, take it to the little small field, and start harvesting. Pulling this header is horrible. Maybe I shouldn't have unfolded my combine yet.
You make sure you grab the right one.
Yeah, but it didn't make much of a difference, unfortunately. I'm just dragging it down the road sideways.
Hmm.
It does not like being hooked up to this combine at all. We are starting on our fall soybean crop. I'm gonna jump right on in and get going.
I'm gonna go ahead and take the auger wagon down to the second field.
All right. We need to get rid of that little tree. It is very close to the edge of the field. Should have a decent soybean harvest coming off. We got our two normal fields and our new field that we created.
It'll be first harvest on the new field.
Yep. Get to see how the combines and headers run on them slopes. Trees everywhere. Soybeans are definitely a low yield crop.
Yep.
A bird. Another bird.
Birds.
Yeah, I zoomed all the way out and two cranes or storks ones flew right over top of me.
Hmm.
I don't think we needed the truck up here on this field. I ain't even give it
Nope.
50% full.
I'm gonna be at 30 something.
Oh man. Stupid little bush. I'll bring that mower down here and get rid of all these trees and shrubs and stuff. Train.
I don't know how you made it in between that
Barely.
pole and that bush. I can't do it.
I hit it and then turned sideways and like catty cornered myself through.
I had to go out onto the road and go around it. Go ahead and pull the truck over here. Probably should have just went ahead and pulled it to the top field and just used the auger wagon down here.
Yeah.
I might do that.
If we did corn or something, we would have needed it. But soybeans,
Yeah.
they don't make hardly anything. I'm at 71%.
Mm. Truck's almost out of fuel.
Nice. We'll bring
Got a
the
lot
fuel
of
trailer up
flashing.
there.
Flashing. I think we'll be all right until we get back done with this because it won't be used much. But
I'm not going to make it to the tractor.
Hmm.
Got so close too. So close. I thought I'm gonna pull the tractor to me, 'cause I can't get in there. There goes the train around again.
Yep.
Yeah, I didn't pull in the way.
That makes me wonder if I'll make it all the way around. I should.
This
Then we'll get our house built and then we'll start on the roller coaster.
Yeah. See if it still does the strength boost for riding it 15 times.
Yeah.
We got the cotton harvester mod that we wanted, so we can start building up for that too. They're like $900,000 a piece though.
Yeah. Yeah, that'll be a little bit, but
Switch up the crops a bit.
start growing some cotton and I guess we'll just load them onto the flatbed trailer or get an auto loading trailer for it one.
Yeah.
Then we'll have to make another building to store our cotton bales so we can sell it when the price is high.
Yep. And we got to make a building for the hay as well.
Yep.
That way, when you start making hay bales, we can store it for the animals. You said you wanted to do cows first this time?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna do some cows. I just Hadn't even checked to see if we can get Highland cows without buying the DLC.
I don't believe you can. But we can get regular cows.
Well, there's nothing else. We'll just go with some dairy cows and
Animal dealer. Brown Swiss. Holstein. Angus. I don't know how you say that. And water buffalo is all we got.
have water buffalo.
Yep.
That's
Age
weird.
18 months to 0 months. You can get babies, 6 months old, 18 months old of each one.
Yeah,
Is
we'll
for
just
dairy
go.
farming, buffalo milk.
Huh.
The limousine or limousine, however you spell that, is for beef.
Yeah, I'm sure the Angus is beef.
Yep. Bred for profit, can be sold. And the Holstein is dairy, which I knew that by looking at the little black and white spots.
Hmm. Guess we'll go with
So
the
is the brown
Holsteins.
Swiss. Wait a minute, what was that other thing? No animals to sell. Oh, that's what it was. Daggone it. Oh my god. There we go. Pigs, sheep and goats, horses, chickens. Oh, look, you actually buy a rooster this time. All kinds of horses. We've got 2 different kinds of sheep and goats. No, 3 kinds of sheep, 1 goat. 4 sheep, 1 goat. I'll get it right here in a minute. And 3 different kinds of pigs. All right, let's quit looking at animals and
Yeah, I think we'll go with the Holstein cows and get the white and black spotted ones and
set up a dairy farm.
start setting up a dairy farm and get some milk going. Then we'll get some chickens and start selling some eggs.
If we can find a place to put all these animals, we'll be good to go.
Yeah.
This map is not the most level in the majority of it, unfortunately. So, let's see where we can put it.
I know in 22 we had our chicken house set up on the left side of that house down there where that other field we bought is that I'm using for hay.
Yeah.
We didn't have no cows though.
Nope, we didn't get to the cows yet. We moved on to a different map. We won't be
Yep.
doing that this time. We'll just go all out on this one and try to do as much as we can on this one. Because right now we're getting close to caught up in what we was on 22.
Yep.
I was going to cut off the tip so it was you could get it since it was kind of wide, but I
Well,
think you could have got it.
I had missed a little spot here and
There's a few spots here and there, but I ain't gonna worry about them. Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to pull the header behind me because it will not make it up through there.
then you got to go across the little tiny bridge too.
Yep. Hopefully the trailer will pull properly this time. I think me folding it out last time and knocked it sideways with the grain pipe.
Mm. The auger wagon is almost full.
Mm. Let's see if I can turn around here and hook up with these trees in the way. first let me ram it.
Yeah. Might have to start hitting it second. That way we can go straight up that little road that we made.
Oh no. You stupid thing. I didn't want you to fold up yet. Yeah, what did you do that for? Hit the wrong button. Accidentally unfolded the header when I was trying to put it down.
Hmm.
Did not work too well. I got this one stripped by the creek here. It should be good to go. Alright, first harvest on our new created field.
That bridge ain't hardly wide enough for my combine to go over it.
Yeah, it's a little bit small. Zoom out here a bit. Get some aerial shots.
Might start pulling straight in and cutting this field first.
What, from future reference?
Yeah. Next time, we can drive straight up our little road we made. And,
Turn around and get the little field second.
yep. Turn around and get the other two fields after we done cut this one.
You just left the auger wagon down there.
Yeah, it couldn't hold but 3 or 4 more percent.
Oh,
It was
okay.
96, I think it was. I figured that 18 wheeler there to hold all of it.
It should. I doubt this field's going to make that many liters. No, soybeans anyways.
Yeah.
Pretty decent sized field.
Mm-hmm.
Header seems to be flexing nicely on the slopes.
Yeah, it's a pretty decent angle that we're cutting on.
Oh yeah. I don't hire a worker. Lower the header. I'm good at hiring workers. At least with the flex drapers, they actually flex and match the
Yep.
terrain a little bit better on this, where one side's jacked up and the other side is flat on the road. I'm at 78%. We'll be headed back towards the truck soon.
Yeah, I dumped into the auger wagon before I came up here.
I probably should have dumped before I started, but I didn't think about it. So here we go. See how far I can make it. Not very far, it looks like. Already at 83.
And I can tell you that truck does not like pulling up them hills.
Yeah. Got some tornado damage up here.
In the field?
No, the tree's right beside the field.
Oh, yeah, it came through there.
Before we planted, apparently.
I don't remember which one did that, but I remember seeing it.
See some hail damage here and there, but nothing too bad. We attach the other side of this plot to this one, it'll be a gigantic field unless we separate the two.
Yeah.
98%. And done. Oh, so close. I'm just going to cut right through the soybeans here. No way I can drive around without running in the creek. Tree. Yeah, I made it to right there. So close.
Yeah. I'll cut through this time so I don't run my soybeans over. Miss a street there. Yep. I had it sticking over the edge, but
Yeah, this header, for some reason,
it
likes you to
still
put quite a
missed.
bit of overhang on the edge. I noticed that in the bottom field. You might wipe that whole streak out.
Oh, I will.
We'll go up here and grab this little streak that got missed, huh? Not much, but hey.
Well, so I don't know about planting corn on this, but the rest of it
Yeah.
we can plant.
I did not.
You went a bit wide.
Plan that at the same width. Yep, sure did. That's all right. Won't take but a second to correct it. The combine needs a bath after this.
Yep. Getting dirty fast. Yeah, I should have went down there and got myself straight. But
Yep.
oh well.
All good. We're about done anyways.
Yep.
50-foot headers make a quick work of these fields.
Mm-hmm.
All right, and that does it for the new field. Made a decent little harvest of soybeans.
I got 14,378 liters off the whole field.
Uh,
I don't
I
know how
dumped
much you,
midway, so
I don't know how much you, but this, no, I can't go by the truck trailer either because you get stuff from the other field.
yep. Drive down here to some level ground. Drop the header on. Pull it back. What Russ will take back first, the truck, and then come back and get the combine, or the combine, and you bring the truck and pick me up.
I'm gonna go ahead and take my combine back.
Guess I'll do that too.
I'm gonna take this shortcut we made.
Yep. And hope a train is not coming. Nope, I made it through.
Pull mine over here and get ready to pressure wash it because won't be harvesting nothing for another year.
Yeah. I wasn't thinking about that. Wash it off. Get the header clean. That's one way to do it, I guess.
I had to get them both where the pressure washer could reach it without moving too much.
Yeah. It might got pretty dirty. I don't think I washed it after the last time I harvested it though. Ugh. Front is all gunked up.
I can see some paint damage on mine.
Yeah, I can too. Right above the wheels. Or treads on my case.
Oh, the pressure washer's making the whole header move.
Nice. Oh yeah, I see it. Sliding.
I think got some serious pressure.
I know, right? Pushing a whole 50-foot header sideways.
Ain't got much room in here no more.
No,
It's like the
unfortunately.
tedder and stuff will be moved before too long.
Fortunately, we got it kind of cluttered in that one spot.
It's all the hay equipment will go down to that other. When we put a little shed down. I think we already put the shed down there, didn't we?
Yep. Shed's ready. We just gotta transfer
Yeah,
all your hay bale and stuff down there.
I'm gonna buy a T7 to do all my hay work.
Just blow my trailer or my header slap sideways.
Mm-hmm.
What kind of pressure they got coming out of this thing? But wow. Okay. Let's see if I can pull through this little gap. Oh yeah.
I can see you driving on the farm all the way down here from this field.
Did you set your LOD up any? I forgot.
I think mine's max. I don't remember.
I was going to and completely forgot.
Be honest, I couldn't tell much difference.
Oh, okay. Maybe I don't need to then. Now the truck is way up on the hill.
Yep. And I got stopped by a train.
I think I can ride with you in the tractor, can I?
I don't think so. You can in my little truck.
Nope. All right,
If I
I'm
go
just
down,
gonna walk
if I
up
go
and
down
wait.
here and jump into my little truck, I
Yeah,
can take you up there in it.
that's true. Keep me from walking so far. Steel mill is still running. How much it's got in it? 4,000 liters. That ain't very much. And compared to other machines, your little work truck is tiny.
Yeah. I didn't want to get in there. I wanted to jump over.
See what we got. Plenty of wood in the sawmill. Iron ore's at 21%. Stones in the cement factory is at 27%. Alright. Take me to the grain truck. The UPS driver. Or whatever they call it on this map.
Yeah.
I couldn't see what it said. Yeah, I don't know how corn will do, but standard crops with the flex draper work great. So we might just keep this field for standard crops.
Yeah. Kind of makes me wonder how the cotton harvester would do on it, but
Yeah. It would do
to be
alright
honest,
until you got one side of the head on like the road side and the other side of the head up on the field.
yeah.
Then it'd be propped up at a weird angle, but the flex draper just flexes.
Yep.
So it made us have to keep this one as a header crop or header crop only. Well, standard header I should say. You dumped the grain?
Nope.
Oh.
I pulled up to where it can dump into the trailer.
Oh, okay.
Or is that where you dump?
That's where I dump. I'll just pull up and fill it up. Tractor's not on, so it won't dump, but...
Yeah, I'm headed towards it.
Oh, okay. I'll switch to get out and turn it on. Let's see. Front tilt is right.
I say, yeah, I parked in the right spot.
Yep, it was good. I'll be dumping while you're filling it up.
Yep.
Zoomed in too far. Come on, let me zoom out. What are you doing? Flip-flopping around. Yeah, that grain bin is massive compared to our other little ones.
Yep. But we already had the last one full, so
Yeah. Pull too far.
fixing to buy the T7 and go ahead and start moving stuff down there.
Ooh, this truck does need some gas.
I got the fuel thing right over here.
Can't see where it's dumping because the little concrete wall. All right. We are good to go. Pull around here to the fuel trailer and fuel up before I forget about it. Farm is coming along rather nicely. All right, truck is filled and parked. Our fall harvest season is done. Soybeans are in the bin. And we are going to call it right there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Really helps us out a lot. We do appreciate it. Leave a comment if you feel like it. We like reading the comments. And we will catch y'all in the next one.